If Chrome has been acting slow, glitchy, or just not working the way it should, resetting it can be one of the fastest ways to fix the problem. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset Chrome and restore settings back to default, step by step. This can help with browser issues, broken settings, extension problems, and general performance issues. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, take a look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu. Click that menu, and from the list that appears, select Settings. This will open the main Chrome settings page, where you can change and manage everything from privacy and appearance to search and startup options. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, look for Reset Settings. Click on that option. This section is specifically designed for restoring Chrome when something is not working properly. It gives you a simple way to bring your browser back to a clean default state without needing to reinstall it. After clicking Reset Settings, you'll see the option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click that option carefully. Chrome will now show you a confirmation window explaining what will happen if you continue. This is your chance to review the reset before making any changes. If you're sure you want to proceed, click Reset Settings. Once you confirm, Chrome will begin restoring the default browser settings. This usually resets things like your startup page, new tab page, search engine, pinned tabs, and disabled extensions. It may also clear temporary browser behavior that could be causing problems. Your bookmarks, browsing history, and saved passwords are typically not deleted, so this is a safe first step when troubleshooting Chrome. After the reset is complete, take a few moments to test Chrome and see if the issue has been fixed. If the browser feels faster, opens correctly, or stops showing errors, then the reset worked. If needed, you can also go back into your extensions and re-enable only the ones you trust, one at a time, so you can make sure none of them were causing the issue. And that's it. You've now learned how to reset Chrome and restore the browser settings back to default. This is a simple but powerful fix that can solve a lot of common browser problems in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.